Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back, students. So today we are going to start our last chapter of book 4, that is the basic geometrical ideas. Okay, so there are some basic that we should know. First is the point. What is a point? So a point is the basic unit of geometry. It shows an exact location. For example, if a point, here is a point A, it is showing its location, right? It is a unit of geometry. It is a basic unit of geometry and it is showing an exact location. This is my point. Now the second thing is a line. So what is a line? Line is nothing but a collection of points, right? जब हम बहुत से points मिलेंगे तो एक line बन जाएगी. And a line has no endpoints. By no endpoints means it can extend from either the direction. It can extend from this direction or it can extend from this direction as well. Okay, so it can extend from both of the direction. It is not having any fixed point, so that means it will not have any fixed length, right? So अगर अब मुझे इसको represent करना है, line को कैसे represent करते हैं? So line, it can be represented like line AB or AB with this sign, arrow on both sides. This arrow is representing that it is extending from both of them. Now we have ray. So what is a ray? It has only one end point, and that means a ray is also a collection of points, obviously, but it is extending from one side only. That means its one side is fixed and the other will be extending. So we can write it as ray AB or AB with this. That means it has a fixed here, but here it can extend. Now the third one is line segment. It has two end points, starting and end point, right? And it has a fixed length. It will also not have a fixed length because only one end is moving, right? Only one end is fixed and the other is moving, so we can't say कि किधर तक जाएगा, right? And line segment, for line segment, both have fixed ends. Both are on both sides. The end is fixed, so we can have a fixed length. And for this, we can represent it like this. Okay, so this was about line segment, and ray. Then we should know what about an angle. So what is an angle? Angle is when two rays are meeting at a point. Right, just like this. This is a ray and this is a ray. When two rays are meeting at a point, that point is known as a vertex. इसको vertex बोलते हैं. And at this vertex an angle is formed. जैसे मैं यहाँ पे बता रही हूँ A, let its name be B and it will be C. ठीक है? So अभी जो रे का नाम क्या है? BA, एक रे हो गई, एक BA रे है, and the other ray is BC. When they both are meeting, they both intersect at a point. That point is B. तो इस point B को vertex भी बोलेंगे और इस B पे हमारा एंगल बनेगा. एंड जो ये दो हैं BA and BC, they are known as arms. उनको हम arms बोलते हैं. इन रेज का नाम arms है and B is the vertex. तो यहाँ पे एंगल बन रहा है. अगर अब है कि इस एंगल को नाम कैसे देंगे? जहाँ पे एंगल बनता है उसका नाम बीच में होता है. एंगल को हम ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. एंगल, ओके, इट विल बी एंगल ABC. बिकॉज बी बीच में होगा. और एंगल CBAB इसको बोल सकते हैं, और सिंपली एंगल BB इसको हम बोल सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज एन एंगल. सो व्हाट इज एन एंगल? व्हेनेवर टू रेज मीट एट अ पॉइंट एन एंगल इज फॉर्म्ड, राइट? अब आता है इंटीरियर ऑफ एन एंगल. दिस इज एन एंगल. अब इंटीरियर वो है जो इस एंगल के बीच के अंदर, जो इसकी स्पेस में जो चीजें आएंगे, दीज आर द इंटीरियर. फॉर ये तीनों इसके अंदर आ रहे हैं. ओके, देन वी हैव द एक्सटीरियर. ये एंगल ये है, तो इसमें जो ये B, A एंड C वो क्या है? वो एक्सटीरियर पे है, बाहर है. एंड दिस, ओके, एंड दिस अब हो गया एक्सटीरियर भी. एक होता है ऑन द एंगल, या ठीक है, उसका नाम वो क्या है जो एंगल के ऊपर होगा, राइट? देन वी शुड ऑल्सो नो अबाउट सम टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल्स. ओके, सो सम ऑफ देम आई हैव रिटन. ठीक है, टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल्स. फर्स्ट इज द एक्यूट एंगल. सो एक्यूट एंगल इज दैट एंगल which has a major more than 0 and less than 90. Then we have a right angle which has a major of 90. Then we have obtuse more than 90 and less than 180. Straight angle major 180. Reflex angle more than 180 and less than 360. Then we have a complete angle, which means an angle of major 360 degrees. Okay, so these were the basic concepts, and in the next lecture we will discuss about the exercise part.